गव्हर्नमेंट प्रिंटिंग प्रेसा लागीं पणजेच्या बँक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र विभागीय कार्यालयाक उजो लागपाची घडणूक सोमारा सकाळी घडली। एक वेळ उजो शॉर्ट सर्किट जावन लागू येता असो अदमास आसा। कार्यालयांतले सुमार 3 कंप्युटर सोडले जाल्यार बाकीच्यो फायली सेफ आसा। पणजेच्यान बँक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र विभागीय कार्यालय आर्टेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Prima facie it is expected that because of some technical fault, short circuit or any other thing.
How much is the loss you expect?
Loss is more than some 2-3 pieces and 2 cables.
How many files have been
No, not too much files. Only that files which are remain on the table were burned. And other things, everything now you must have also observed that everything was kept aside. No much damage.
So most of the record is
Most of the
intact.
record is available, yeah, definitely. Because we are having two to three systems. If this system goes bad or something happens, we are having the standby system.
So data will be available.
Data is available. Even my below branch is running. There also data is. That is centralized data.
that was 5:35 on call
पुलिस स्टेशनार आनी तुमी कितल्या गेले मागीर कितें जालां भितर कितले फायली लासल्या कितें जालां
फायली 2 कॅबिनातली फायली आसतात
हां
थोडेशे
हां
म्हणजे खुर्च्यो टेबल कॉम्प्युटर एसी चालू आसा
कंप्युटर कितें आसतलो
तुम्ही
कोणाक कांय जालें ना न्हू कोण नासलें भितर
कांयच ना
भितर कोण नासलें
कोण
तुमचें नांव